I got this. 948 Northwest 56, dates July 5th, 2022. I'm making this recording through the newly installed 4-inch diameter Schedule 40 cleanout put together by Bob Oates Plumbing. We have the camera all the way down in the city main sewer right now. I'm going to come back from the city main sewer and get a look at this totally replaced / relined sewer line, main trunk line here. City main there. Come back a few inches from there, you're right into our 6-inch diameter new flow cure in place pipe liner. We're going to come back through this 6-inch diameter section that's out under the street. And back into the 4-inch diameter section there. We've transitioned from that 6-inch diameter pipe back into 4-inch diameter new flow liner now. And we transition from that liner back into the PVC associated with the first excavation. This excavation exposed the branch arm Y connection from the driveway drain at the front of the house. So on the left side of the pipe, where is it? There it is. On the left side of the pipe there, that's the connection to the driveway drain. Coming back further through the PVC, we're going to drop into 4-inch diameter HDPE plastic pipe. That's from the pipe burst that was done out here. So all of this new black plastic pipe was installed during the pipe burst portion of the project. Transitioning back now from that HDPE plastic into 4-inch diameter PVC. This was the second excavation. This is a connection for the laundry drain piping here. It's also a floor drain in the basement of the home that connects to that section on the left side of the screen. Back into that 4-inch diameter HDPE plastic. And here we're coming back into the PVC. This is a trench that was along the entire back side of the home. Here is the turn in the pipe. This was the failed section that kind of started this whole project. That's the turn in the line at the northwest corner of the home. So now coming along the back side of the house, first connection point you see there is for the stairwell drain. Second connection is for the downspout on the back of the home. And then we come back up out of the clean out riser. Thank you. Downspout, connecting to sewer, clean out.